Maman, gauche ou droite?
Gauche.
D'accord. Tu dois me faire un bubble tea avec une technique rapide.
D'accord.
Ouais!
Bourbon teas are delicious and refreshing drinks with tapioca pearls. I show you my easy way to make the pearls and 4 versions of the boba: tea, milk, matcha, and raspberry. To make the tapioca pearls, in a small pan, put 70 grams of cane sugar and 140 grams of water. Combine a little. Put on medium heat with a lid to prevent evaporation. When we can see some small bubbles, turn to low heat. First, put 100 grams of tapioca starch. Continually stir. When the liquid is absorbed and the dough becomes sticky like this, after about 1 minute, turn off the heat. Add another 100 of tapioca starch. Briefly mix. It helps to make up the dough from the pan. Then pour it on the work surface. Knead the dough by combining the starch. During 8 minutes, so that it becomes soft and malleable. Take a small piece and keep the remaining in the bag. Roll it to get a string of about 7 mm in diameter. Cut it in 2 small pieces by doing this movement. It will help later to shape the pearls.
Roule vers le haut, roule vers le bas. Voilà, c'est bien, pas trop gros.
Sprinkle some cornstarch. Form pearls by rolling them under the palm of your hand. Remove the excess starch.
C'est bon là.
For cooking, put them into a pot of boiling water with enough water. Here I put 1.5 liter. Immediately stir to prevent them from sticking. Cook without the lid for 15 minutes over medium heat. Occasionally stir. Turn off the heat and let them sit in the cooking water for 10 minutes. Drain them and rinse them with cold water. Put them into a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of cane sugar to prevent them from sticking together. In a saucepan, put 150 grams of water and 70 grams of cane sugar. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes. Then add the pearls. Stir for 2 minutes and turn off the heat. The pearls are ready. To make a glass of bourbon tea, infuse 10 grams of black tea with 20 centiliters of boiling water. Let infuse for 10 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of cane sugar and 40 grams of powdered milk. Combine and let cool. To prepare a whipped cream for 6 bubbles, beat 40 centiliters of whipping cream and 20 grams of icing sugar. Whip until getting this creamy texture. In a glass, put 2 tablespoons of pearls. Rotate. Put some ice. The milk tea. Some whipped cream. Sprinkle with a little cocoa powder. The bubble tea is ready. For the boba milk, mix 6 centiliters of milk with 6 centiliters of whipped cream. Prepare the glass the same way. Put the mixed milk, then the whipped cream. For the matcha boba, also mix 6 centiliters of milk with 6 centiliters of whipped cream. Add 1 teaspoon of matcha. Mix well. Prepare the glass. Sprinkle with matcha powder. For the raspberry boba, mix 100 grams of raspberries with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add the mix of 6 centiliters of milk and 6 centiliters of whipped cream. Filter to remove the seeds. Prepare the glass. It is difficult to resist any longer. The homemade whipped cream and pearls make the boba delicious. The drink contains no additive and it is cheaper. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.